What's up, y'all? Jason here. I know why you guys are here. You guys want to know which GPS device is the best. Well, stay tuned.
Hey, what's up, players? Yeah.
So guys, this is going to be one of those videos where I'm going to get on my motorcycle. I'm going to drive my car. I picked these two vehicles because they are the fastest vehicles that I have. Now, I wanted to go with the fastest vehicles in particular because this tests the GPS's responsiveness, refresh rate, sample rates, accuracy, all that good stuff. And I don't know how accurate you guys expect these things to be, but they're okay. And so with that being said, if you guys are watching this video with headphones on, don't. Or do it at your own risk per se, because I'm not going to down the audio because some people may want to hear it. So if you don't want to hear it, stay by your volume knob. We'll put it that way, because you may go up and down on your volume throughout this video because things will get loud. Okay, they will get loud. So without further ado, enjoy the video. Now, what I want you guys to concentrate on is each screen has a picture, a smaller picture of what device that screen belongs to. So like the GoPro footage will have a small GoPro somewhere on that screen of the GoPro footage. Same thing with the DJI, same thing with the Ace Pros, okay? And same thing with the X3. The X3, I've used the original Insta360 GPS remote. And then with the Ace Pro footage, I've always used the new GPS preview remote, just so you guys know. Just keep an eye out for that type of stuff. When you guys watch the videos, I want you guys to kind of look at the different speedometers, all the speed readings for each camera. Each camera was recorded in 30 frames per second. I did that specifically so that you guys can, the refresh rate and everything, and so the frames per second are all the same between all the cameras, to include the cell phone, which is what the Draggy unit records this data onto. So without further ado, enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys towards the end. We'll talk a little bit about it. Okay guys, so the last test here, because this test I wasn't able to perform it with this remote because it wasn't actually recording when I did it with the ZL1. So I had to get home this weekend and record this separately for you guys, just so you guys can use it as a tool to see how accurate it is compared to the very utmost accurate draggy GPS system. Okay, so I'm going to take this camera once I get to where I want to be at, and we're going to start recording, and I'm just going to do a 1/4 mile blast pretty much on the same route, the same street, the same road as I did with Butter. So this is the dam right here. It's getting low, and it was pretty convenient because this camera is the best camera in low light anyways. So right now I am recording in pure video, 2.7K, 30 frames per second. I do have the exposure up to plus 0.5, and we have I always lock out my color temperature at 5500 no matter what time of the day it is. The temperature, the colors outside have to be really extreme for me to put it on auto, but usually I lock it in at 5500 Kelvin. I'm using my center headset for the audio, plugged into the into the Ace Pro directly with the microphone adapter. They are burning. It's pretty hazy out here because they've been doing a lot of burning of the grass and all that kind of good stuff. And I'm not talking about the Mary J grass. But anyways, once I get to my point, we're going to put this here. We're going to reset. We're going to put it in camera mode. And I'm going to hope and pray that my camera, or should I say my phone, doesn't just go flying off. Hope my camera doesn't fly off the mount. Now, I am not a professional motorcycle rider, meaning that I do not ride hard. I'm going to for this test because this motorcycle and Butter are the only two vehicles in my arsenal that can pull enough acceleration for you guys to really do like a play, pause, so you can kind of see how fast the GPS data is keeping up with the actual GPS data. Okay, so which one is the best? That's up to you. I gave you the data. Do what you will with it. Which one do I like the most? I like using the Insta360's GPS preview remote simply because you can see what you're looking at on the remote. It's just more than just GPS data. But if you want me to stick to strictly GPS data, I'm gonna say newest is better. The Insta360 GPS remote and the actual Insta360 GPS normal remote, the GPS preview remote and the GPS normal remote, they seem to grab satellites the fastest. GoPro doesn't tell you when it has GPS reception, so you can't really tell if you have it with GoPro, you just have to turn the camera on, go outside, leave it on for about a minute at least, and give it time to find satellites. Which one is best is up to you. They're all sort of inaccurate, as you guys can see in the footage. None of them were actually dead accurate with the Draggy, which is the most accurate as far as GPS goes. So do what you will, all right? These are all just tools. So if you guys are motovlogging, if you're cruising with a little bit of acceleration spurts, you might be actually fine. But if you want lethal accuracy, then none of these are going to be the best for lethal accuracy. They're all about the same. They just have small different things about them. So without further ado, if you guys have absolutely any questions, remember, this isn't a sponsored video. I just want you guys to know that. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I got you, okay? I use these things all the time. I'm telling you, I just don't upload my videos, but I use these cameras all the time. I use the remotes with them almost all the time, not all the time. So yeah, let me know what you got. All right, Jay on the Segway. See you guys in the next video. Peace.